It's March 29th. Here's a checkup on them. So after the cold season, lots of new things sprouted up. You can see here right in the front. They all sprouted up. So that's good. Those ones will probably grow. If you remember, I think in the last video we dug one up and it was just a single clove. There wasn't anything really. So this is an onion that we planted in there a while ago. That is a piece of grass, I think. That is a piece of grass, I think. And then there's a garlic here. Garlic here. We might need to pull this guy up because look, some of the leaves are dying. That's a garlic. That's a garlic. That's a garlic. And then these, some of these are new. Like the big ones are new. Like look how huge this is. Sheesh. This is huge. Yeah. But this is a garlic, 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 garlic. And possibly, yeah, this is a little garlic too, I would imagine. But the big ones, so I was reading online that you're actually supposed to, if you're living in Florida, which we are, you're actually supposed to put them in the fridge for a few weeks and then plant them. So that was a mistake. These, I don't even know what this is. Oh, these are the potatoes. We planted potatoes in here. So here's some potatoes. This, oh look, it's being eaten or something. This is, I think, an onion, and something is eating these onions because look, it's cut. So those are the onions. There's another potato plant there. Some weeds. That onion plant's doing well. And then these are the big potatoes. And they're doing really well. Maybe because they have partial shade, or I'm not sure. Potatoes are doing well. What the heck is this thing right here? A root. Random root right there. So, yeah. Those are the potatoes. And the garlic. And a couple onions. This, I think, is grass. If you think this isn't grass, let me know. But I think it's grass. I can't tell. I'm not a farmer. I'm just a Ruth Stouter. Just getting curious with all that. I don't want to damage the roots either if it's still growing. Roots, I don't want to break the roots, but maybe I already am already. I can't tell. I broke something there. I can feel stuff. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Nope. Look at that. Still. Maybe those ones, they just aren't. Those ones, they just don't. They just don't split.
It almost looks like an onion.
I feel like for some of these, we should just harvest the tops of it, just because they're obviously not going to split. They're not splitting. They're not, like, forming new cloves. They're not forming new cloves. But these ones probably will, because they only sprouted up after the cold. And if you remember, the cold, I think they need the cold to notify them, hey, bulk up and split. And if you don't have the cold, then I don't think they do that. I think I remember reading that from somewhere.
Sign off?
Sign off, yeah.